Thank you, Mahesh. Thanks a lot. Hi, Adil. Hi, Aditya. Hi, Ajay. Hi, Amit. Hi, everyone. How are you all?
Good, good. How are
Yeah,
you?
good.
Yeah, doing good, guys.
Thanks for asking.
How are you feeling? What are you expecting from the course, guys? What are your expectations?
To get the knowledge as much as we can.
Okay, fine. Meanwhile, let me also put something in the group. So I want all of you to give the answer right away. Okay.
Save driving mode.
Sorry.
Hmm.
Rakesh, it seems you are talking behind. Can you please go on mute? Okay, guys. Have anyone attended the sessions which were given by me earlier?
So this is first time.
No. Okay. First time, right? Okay. So I have posted a quiz in the group, guys. So can you guys quickly select some options, whichever you feel is suitable for you, so that I can get the idea of the audiences. Okay. I can see some people are from fun 1 to 2, 3 to 6. Okay. Quick, guys, quick. I got 12 responses. Quick. Come on, this is fastest fingers first of KBC. Nice. We have two people, 6+ years experience, two freshers. Okay. We have 50 people. Come on, guys. The people who joined now. So I have put in a quiz in the group. Please answer that quiz so that I can get the idea of the audiences. So then I will give examples accordingly.
So I have joined the group right now, but I did not receive anything.
Oh, okay. You just joined now, so I need to send it again. Let me see if I can send it again.
Okay.
Okay, unfortunately, I'm not getting that option. So who's ever joined now, so you can ping me in the chat. How much IT experience do you have? Either you are fresher or 0 to 5 years, 1 to 3 year, 3 to 6 year, or 6+ years. I think I can see 6 people joined just now. Okay, Ganesh, I have 0. I think some people has already attended some of my classes. I can see Deepthi, Gaurav. Correct me, guys, if I'm wrong. Might be the same people. And Mickey also attended, right, Mickey? Yeah, Gaurav Jadhav, yes. Gaurav, like, are you the same guy who is in morning batch?
Yes.
Okay. You are trying to shift the timings. That is fine. Fine, guys. I'm sharing my screen. So let's get started. I got a fair idea about the audiences. I hope my screen is visible, guys.
Yes.
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
So, guys, today is day 1 of Power Platform course. You must have already seen. So today we will be discussing what is Power Platform. Okay. So let's start with the opening note. So welcome back to KSR Data Vision, guys. So you are into Power Platform course, where you will learn end-to-end what is Power Platform, like how you can solve business problems from scratch to advance. Okay. So today we will be discussing about what is Power Platform, opportunities, then certifications which are there in Power Platform, career paths, and last but not the least, we will have a generic Q&A. You can ask me any question related to Power Platform. So I know like you guys must be having lots of questions related to that. So we can discuss every question. Every question of yours that Google can't answer, we will answer you here. Okay. Fine. So I think Mahesh has sent a message in the group, right? Which of the following is not the part of the Power Platform? Right? Power Platform. Right? So I think there were some options: Power BI, Power Apps, and I guess Power Virtual Agents and Power Python, right? How many of you have selected Power Python? Okay. So how many of you have never listened about this term Power Python?
No.
No. So guys, this was invented by us and launched on 30th Feb 2024.
Okay.
Have you seen this somewhere?
No, actually.
No. Yeah.
Okay. So guys, don't think everything like this is just a joke. So I don't know how many of you got it.
Yes, because there's no 30th February
30th Feb is not there.
2024.
So basically here jokes will also be logical. Okay. So how many of you thought like it is like really launched by us on 30th Feb?
I think
Okay.
no.
Okay. So yeah, this is just a joke. So 30th Feb, first of all, it will never come. And it never came also. So it is the right answer. Like this is not the product of the Power Platform. This is just the random option that we have given. Okay. So these are the products of Power Platform. So now we will discuss like what are the products of Power Platform, so that whenever someone will ask you what is Power Platform, what you are learning at KSR, why you want to learn Power Platform, so then you will be getting the details, things. Then you will be able to explain what is Power Platform. Okay. So I will try to explain with the simple flow chart that I usually explain to everyone what is Power Platform, so that you are able to relate and you are able to absorb this very quickly. Okay. Now, guys, someone tell me like what is Power Platform? Any one of you would like to give it a shot?
Group of products and develop and build.
Okay. iPhone. So whoever has joined with this iPhone, can you please rename your display name to your actual name? Actually, if I want to like say your name, I think it does not look good, right? Okay. Anyone else?
OnePlus is there.
OnePlus?
Like he should rename his name.
Yes, guys. That is too convenient for me to take your name if if it is real name. So then I can easily call you with your names. Otherwise, like there will be issue for me. That does not look good. Okay, no issues. So anyone would like to give it a shot? What is Power Platform, guys? Yes, no, maybe.
It's a Microsoft's ecosystem which has multiple tools under Power Platform, like we have Power BI,
Okay.
workflows,
Mm-hmm.
chatbots.
Good.
Power
Good,
Apps.
good, Siddharth. Good start. Okay. Now let me give you the formal bifurcation of Power Platform. So guys, Power Platform is nothing. What it is the solution from Microsoft. I will explain you in the PPT also, but I'm just setting the tone so that you are aware like what is Power Platform. You are able to relate when I will be showing you the slides. Okay. So Power Platform is nothing but the collection of products from Microsoft. How many of you know Office 365 from Microsoft?
Outlook, PowerPoint,
Yes.
Excel,
Yes.
Word.
Right. Outlook, PowerPoint for presentation, Word for creating documents, Word documents, Excel
Microsoft
for
Teams.
excellent data, Teams for collaboration and exchanging messages, right? So this is the package of Office 365, right? Of Microsoft.
Yes.
I hope every one of you must have used these products somewhere or other.
Yes.
Yes, we are using.
You are using it, right? So similarly, Microsoft has launched a new product that is known as Power Platform. I would not say new, but still it is new as compared to other products. It was launched in 2020, like properly launched in 2020, and now 2025 almost is getting started. So it is 4-5 year what to say, old technology. There are some other products like Power BI was launched back in 2015, but then they have integrated in the Power Platform, and then now it is like that. Okay, guys, clear what is Power Platform? Now you're able to relate. I will explain you the bifurcation, what is there in the Power Platform, but you are able to relate, right? What it is.
Yes.
Cool.
Clear.
Okay. Now, Power Platform consists of mainly 4 verticals. Okay, let me draw 4 lines. First one is, I'll start from here, Power BI. Then you have Power Automate. Then you have
Power.
Virtual Agents. Power Virtual Agents. Okay. Then you have Power Apps. Okay. So Power Virtual Agent, this is the previous name, but now Microsoft has renamed this to Microsoft Copilot Studio. Right?
Yes.
Clear? How many products are there in Power Platform? Clear with the first hierarchy, first level?
Yeah.
What about Power Page? Isn't it the part of Power Platform?
Yes. It is. It is. It will come.
Okay.
Clear? Up to this point, it is clear.
Yes.
Guys, we are 60+ people and only 2 years. This will not motivate me.
Yes, yes.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Pages falls under Power Apps.
Cool. So now Power Pages is further divided into 3 parts. First one is Canvas apps.
Canvas.
Model driven
Then you have model driven apps.
Power Pages.
Then you have Power Pages. I perfectly agree with you. Whoever asks questions, sir, where is Power Pages? Why? Because you will get the doubt. Because when you will go to the documentation, now they are mentioning this Power Pages is the 5th product in the Power Platform. But still it is under the Power Platform, but it is in the development. Might be it will come from here and it will be added as a 5th product, but the functionalities will be same. Okay. Make sense?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Cool. Now guys, this for Microsoft Copilot Studio, there is no bifurcation, but for Power Automate, we have 2 things. One is Power Automate Cloud,
Desktop.
and the second is Power Automate Desktop. Okay. Similarly, for Power BI, we have desktop and we have service.
Service also.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes.
Now, guys, with Power Platform, there is one more thing that comes out of the box. That is the storage solution, like where you will store the data. So the database that will come with the Power Platform out of the box is called as Dataverse.
Dataverse.
Okay. So previously it was called as Common Data Service. Now Microsoft renamed this to Dataverse. If you are seeing somewhere in Common Data Service, that is Dataverse. Make sense?
Yes, yes.
Now, in Power Apps, what you will be able to do, guys? You will be able to create various apps. You will be able to create Canvas apps, model-driven apps. In Power, with the help of Power Pages, you will be able to create websites. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Cool.
Yeah.
Now, next thing is this Power Virtual Agent and Copilot Studio. Here you will be able to create chatbots. How many of you know what is chatbot? Have you seen chatbot anywhere?
Yes.
Yes. I don't.
You don't know? Okay. So suppose you are working with your bank website. So there, which bank you are using, Haider?
SBI.
SBI, right?
Yeah.
For SBI, I'm not sure whether they have chatbot or not, because most of the time they will be on lunch break. So chatbot can also give you the same reply that we are on lunch break as of now, so we will not be able to give you the services, right?
No, they do
Yeah.
have it. They do have it.
They do have it. Okay. So then actually I'm not sure about SBI, but ideally it should be there. But if you are working on something called HDFC Bank, so there is a chatbot name as EVA, EVA, right? Ask EVA. So then even if you are interacting with Flipkart, so there they
Yeah.
have chatbots, right?
Uh-huh.
Chat with us. So then they will say, hi Heather, how are you doing? Like in
Yeah.
which order you want the help. So
Yes.
do you want us to connect your call with the customer center? So that is
Yeah.
chatbot.
Okay, okay, okay. Thank you.
Clear, everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah, can I ask one question?
Yeah, please.
Yeah, this is Rajesh. Actually, I'm currently working on D365 F&O. Okay. Actually, I'm looking for integration with the Power App, Power Platform. Yeah, is this, this type of integration you are going to explain, or I just confirmation I am asking?
Yes. Rajesh, I would request you to wait till I am giving the session. So I think
Okay.
every question of you will be answered automatically. If still you
Okay.
have these kind of questions, I would be more than happy to help you. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure. I guess Kiran was saying something. Kiran, are you there? Cool. Now, guys, next thing is Power Automate. So Power Automate, as name says, it will help you create automations. Okay, so there are two types of Power Automate flows: Power Automate Cloud and Power Automate Desktop. Okay, so in Power Automate Cloud, you will be able to create the cloud automations. So cloud automation, by cloud automation, what I mean, suppose you are receiving some email in the Outlook. So then you will be able to create some automation around that. Suppose something is getting updated in your OneDrive, something is getting updated in your SharePoint list. So these are cloud services, right? So if you want to do some automation there, so you will be using this Power Automate Cloud. So then we have second type of automation, that is Power Automate Desktop. This is RPA. So here you will be able to do the desktop automations. Why desktop automations? What I mean, like the automations which will be running on the desktop. Suppose you are logging into your system every day. Then after logging in, you are going to your organization website. After going there, you are putting in your attendance in the timesheets. Then you are submitting it. Every day you are doing this process repeatedly, right? So if you don't want to do this thing, you can create an automation using Power Automate Desktop that will automatically take care of all these things. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So this product itself is competing with other products in the RPA space. RPA is what? RPA is robotics process automation. And the main products are Blue Prism, Automation anywhere?
UiPath.
UiPath. And the fourth leader is Power Automate Desktop. This just came to the list. You can go ahead, check on the Google, the leader product. So this just came in the list and it is very cheap as compared to this. So people are moving to this Power Automate Desktop now. Clear guys, what is Power Automate?
Yes, yes.
Cool. So then Power BI, I know you must be knowing what is Power BI. So Power BI is a data visualization tool, which will help you get the insights from the data. And this Power BI is the soul of any data engineers, data analyst, right? And data scientists, whatever they will do, they will use this Power BI as a front-end solution to share the insights with the people. Clear?
Yes.
Cool, guys. Now, I hope you got a fair understanding about Power Platform. What is Power Platform? What are the various products in it? What are they responsible for? Right? Someone mentioned D365. So guys, this Dataverse and model-driven apps, this Dataverse and model-driven apps, this serves as the basics for Dynamics 365. If you know model-driven app, if you know Dataverse, if you know JavaScript, if you know C# development, so then you can become D365 developer. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Fine. Now, guys, let me start with the content. I hope now the stage is set. You know what is Power Platform. You know what are the products under it. Now you will be able to relate whatever I will be telling you after this slide. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Cool. Now, guys, this question used to come in every session. So that's why I have added a dedicated slide on that, Microsoft Power Platform certification track. So this is the first certification that you can do, Power Platform Fundamentals. So here, like the flowchart that I have explained you. So they will ask every question to every vertical of it. And then you can do this Power Platform Maker, App Maker. This is specific to Power Apps. Then Functional Consultant Associate, that is PL 200. You can do this Power Base certification using PL 300. You can do Power Platform Associate Developer certification using PL 400. If you want to do Power Automate Desktop certification, you can use PL 500. And if you want to become a solution architect, you can give this PL 600. But first of all, you have to clear this certification right after going through this course. Okay. Clear about certification track, guys? No need to remember anything. No need to by heart anything. Just for your knowledge, it is here. This slide is here.
Okay.
Yes, clear.
Clear.
Cool. Now, who can learn Power Platform? Anyone who hates coding, long codes, okay, who hate to understand like the background of the things, who want to work in the abstraction mode. So then this is very good choice for you guys. Here, like this is low code, no code product, guys. Low code, no code. Either you will not be writing anything, you will be accomplishing your task, or you will be writing simple Excel like formulas that are very easy. You again, you don't need to remember anything. You don't need to by heart anything. I will be telling you how to do that. Okay. Now, if you are from non-IT, you want to shift to IT domain, then also this is a fair and good choice for you, because here you don't need to understand how coding works, how this thing works. If you're good in logical reasoning, that is fine. If you want to switch the technologies, might be you are working in some legacy technologies where you are not getting much hikes, might be you are working in support projects, so then this is very good choice for you. This is good opportunity for freshers, as there are lots of opening in the market as of now. So, and there is a demand and supply gap. Why demand and supply gap? Because someone will know Power BI, but they will not know Power Apps. If someone knows Power Apps, then they will not know, might be, Power Automate properly. If they know this standalone product, they might not know the integration, how you can create a solution from all these products. So this is the gap in the market as of now. So if you are good into all those things, you will automatically get calls, you will clear the interviews, and obviously you will get the job. Okay. Then career gap. If you have career gap, then also it is good choice for you. If you want to cross skill yourself, like suppose you already know Power BI, now you want to learn and other stuff and become a complete end-to-end Power Platform developer, then also this is a good choice for you. Okay. Clear, guys? I hope this slide answers most of the question, like why you go ahead for this course.
Yep.
Cool. Now this is about me. So I have 6+ years of experience in IT industry. I am expert in Microsoft products, and I'm expert in data analytics and Azure data engineering. I'm certified Microsoft Power Platform developer and trainer. I have expertise in working with banking domain, healthcare, and automobile industries. So I'm currently working as a lead engineer, which is basically equivalent to technical architect at Striker. And I'm working with as a mentor with KSR Data Vision as well as trainer. So I have 3 years of training experience, both online and offline classes. And I'm a Microsoft certified trainer. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. And I have worked on this Power Platform. I have worked on D365. And I have worked on this data analytics project. So everything I have worked, so I will be able to guide you on all these things. Okay. But I will not go into JavaScript development and C# development, because for obvious reason, you are here for Power Platform, not for D365. So it will be completely on Power Platform, but I will give you insights on these things also. How to do the database design and everything will be given. Make sense?
Yes.
Cool.
Yes.
So now this slide, you must be able to relate. Now, who is Power Platform developer? Who knows Power BI? Who knows Power Apps? Who knows Power Automate? Who knows this Copilot Studio? Who knows Power Pages? So once you know all these things, you will be able to give the interviews, and once interviews are clear, you can get the job easily. So now I will quickly walk you through this thing. What is Power Platform? So it is the group of products that I have already explained you. These are the products and these are the launch year. Power BI is the oldest one in the family, 2015. Then Power Apps, then Power Virtual Agent, Power Automate, and this is the youngest baby of the family, Power Pages. Clear?
Yes.
So there are 675 plus connectors with Dataverse. That means you can connect with 675 different data sources and get the data in your Dataverse connection. And then you can use in Power Apps, Power BI, whatever you want to use. Clear?
Yes.
Cool. So who is Power Platform developer now? Who would like to explain?
Sorry.
The
Who is-
person who knows how to use all the products on Power Platform.
Yeah, very rightly said. The person who knows how to use, how to integrate, and how to create solution out of these products. Because standalone product might not be a good solution for you, right? You might want to integrate Power Apps with Power BI. You might want to integrate Power Automate with this to achieve automations, right? You might want to integrate this itself here to create this as a single solution, isn't it? You might want to create chatbot here in app itself. You might want to add some AI builder capabilities here, right? If you're able to come out with a solution with the combination of products, so then you are a Power Platform developer. Good Power Platform developer, I would say. Fine. Guys, make sense? Any doubts?
Yes. Yes.
Yes, clear.
Cool. Next thing is, okay. I think, okay. Again, same thing. What will be the roles and responsibility of Power Platform developer, guys? You will be working on application design. By application design, what I mean, suppose you will be creating a Canvas app. So then you will be working on application design from scratch. This is how our application will look like. Then you will be working on development. Once the design is finalized, you will be working on the development. So once the application is developed, you will be unit testing your functionalities. Once that unit testing is done, you will be deploying it to various other environments. Okay. Then once it is deployed, then you will be doing the maintenance of the app. So once maintenance activity is going on, you might need to collaborate with the business and do the activities that they want you to do, right? So these are all the roles and responsibilities of a Power Platform developer. You can become Power App developer, chatbot developer. You can go into RPA and pursue your career in automation. Then you can use Power Pages and you can pursue your career as a web page developer. Okay.
Yes.
Now, if you see, this is the snapshot that we have put in here. This is the snapshot that we put, I guess, previously. But now itself, if you go, this number should have increased only, because if you see the condition of the market now, like the job market is very tough for other developers, right? If you're a front-end or back-end developer. But if you see, guys, if you don't have question, please be on mute.
Oh.
Cool. So okay, so if you see for D365, if you see for Power Platform, if you see for data analyst, if you see for data scientist, for these things, the job openings are still there. People are getting 50, 60, 100% hike depending on their negotiation skills. I think you will definitely agree with this. You must have seen this around you on LinkedIn or Naukri.com.
Yes.
Have you observed?
Yeah.
Only one guy observed, one person.
Yeah, observed.
Yeah,
Right.
but yeah, I think, but most of them are asking for experience also, right? Like,
yes, experience they are asking, but here, like, the course is not designed like that. We are not saying we will give you, okay, these are the interview questions, please prepare, go ahead, and then give the interviews, and that is clear. So I want to make this one thing very clear on day one itself. This is not an interview preparation guide, guys. Okay, this is the training that you are getting, and I am your trainer, not a teacher. Okay, so I will be training you guys on the real time things, real stuff. There will not be a single session where I will be using PPT and I will be explaining you there, okay, this is the concept, that is the concept. Everything we will be building here from scratch. Okay, you will be creating apps. I will share with you what are the apps which are created by my students and which we have created in the class. So consider this is after this 3.5 months, after 70-80 sessions, you will be equivalent to the people who are working in the market. You will have an edge over them. Okay, so this is again, I want to make this thing very clear. I will not come here and say, okay, guys, this is delegation warning, this is how it will work, and you have to this is how you have to answer. This is not the interviewer guide. This is, you can consider yourself, you are working on the real-time projects here. You will be working on end-to-end. You will be getting your hands dirty on the actual stuff. Okay, so this is how it works. So might be like, if you have something like that, do you have doubt regarding experience and all? So I think Mahesh will be the right person. He can guide you. We have dedicated training and placement sessions also that is taken by Mahesh every week. So you can join those and you can get those things. Yeah, everything I'll tell. Just like I have planned it like that. So just be patient. Okay, I'll tell you. I will not end the class after before answering your questions. Okay, I'll answer each and every question. Just stay back. Okay, so if you have any issues, any doubts related to trainings and all, topic wise, I am here. If you have any guidance, if you need any guidance related to your career, I think Mahesh is the right person. He is very good. He has exposure to all this stuff. He will be able to help you guys. I hope it makes sense. Guys?
Yes, clear.
Yeah.
Cool.
yeah, clear.
Okay. Now, why Power Platform is in demand, guys? It is growing rapidly as organization is recognizing the benefit of using low-code tools. It is highly in demand because everyone wants to digitally transform their business. So because of shortage of skilled developer in the market, that's why it is also in demand. And it is rapidly growing market. Low-code, no-code market is rapidly growing. if you go ahead and search on Google, guys, low code, no code market growth, so you will get double-digit CAGR. You guys must be into investment, so you might be knowing what is the CAGR. How many of you know what is CAGR? It's fine if you don't know.
Compounded annual growth.
Compounded
average growth.
Yeah, so basically CAGR nothing was what the interest rate that you are getting on your FDs, okay, or anywhere, like whichever investment you are doing. So it means like it will be compounded at that rate. Okay, so suppose today this low code no code market worth 1,000 rupees. So then in next year, suppose it is getting compounded with 20%. So next year it will become 1,020 rupees, the worth of the market. Make sense? Then next year it will become 20% increase on this. Okay, so then whatever it will become 1020 into 0.2, whatever you will get, it will become that. So then 20% increase in that. Obviously, it is not in 1,000, it is in billion. This is $1 billion market. Okay. If you have some doubts in that, just go ahead after the session, search on the Google, you will get that. How with how many percent it is like growing. And it is versatile platform that you all have already seen. You can do the automation, you can create the apps, you can create data analytics, you can create chatbots. So the versatility of platform is very high. So that's why it is there. So then you have collaboration opportunities also here. Okay. Now, like, what is the benefit of low code, no code tools over traditional platform, guys? Can someone tell me?
Yeah, Indrajit, can you repeat the question once?
What is the benefit of low code, no code tool over traditional development? Traditional development means using C#, Java, etc. Creating apps, traditional development.
In
Yeah,
business, it is targeted for the people in the business
Yeah,
who good process knowledge. It's easy for them to shift into the technical side of it and build their own applications.
correct.
we can do it fastly, like
Yeah, why organization wants to move into this? It is easy, that is fine. Organization can hire Java developer and then also they can create apps, automations, right?
They don't have functional knowledge. So functional people can develop their own app and things will move fast.
What is the benefit of things moving faster?
Yeah,
Saving.
here one person can do everything, testing, development, deployment, everything, right?
Yes.
I guess.
Okay. What is the benefit of that?
It will. We can deliver the product. We can deliver the things as early as possible.
Correct. So here, if you see, this is our traditional development, TD. This is our Power Platform development. Okay. So in traditional development, you will be requiring developer. You will be requiring tester. You will be requiring BA. You will be requiring what else, guys? So might be manager who will manage all these things, right?
Yes, Scrum Master.
Scrum Master. And so many other things, right? So here, if you are creating the internal app for your people itself, suppose you are working in an organization with a headcount of 5 lakh people, and you want to create an internal application where you want to have the expense management, like the people will add their bills there, and you want to do that. So these people will take, suppose, 6 months for that, for first release. The same thing can be done here with 1 or 2 developer in 1 month. So here you have to pay for only 2 developers. Here you have to pay for these many people, and you have to wait for 6 months to see the result in front of your eyes. Right?
Correct.
And if all of you are experienced people, except few, so you must be knowing, like in IT, in first iteration, the product will never get finalized, right? It will go on a continuous release cycle, isn't it?
Yes.
Any app that you see around you, let it be WhatsApp, Instagram, anything which is there, it is getting updates after every few months, right? Even your phone software is getting updated after 6 months or 3 months, isn't it? So that is never stopping process. So here the release cycle is very less. In after 1 month, you will be able to see the product. You will say, okay, guys, do these changes for me. Okay, guys. Then after that, you will say, okay, guys, do these changes for me. You will have 6 iteration, and might be your product will be the much stable version after 6 iteration. So even if you are able to, there are 10% functionalities that you are not able to achieve here, you are able to achieve 90% here. Here you are able to build the 100% product that you have thought of. Here you are able to build 90% of the product that you have thought of. So with which option you will go ahead? Think as organizations. Guys?
Sorry, can you please repeat once? I missed it. The last.
Okay, I am saying you are doing 10 things manually as of now. Okay, if you are creating this traditional development, you are able to automate all these 10 things. You are streamlining all these 10 things. But with the Power Platform developer, you are able to streamline 9 things. One feature you are not able to implement. So then in that case, what you will do? You will still go ahead with traditional development or Power Platform development?
Still go with the platform development.
Yeah, because whenever like their business, how they will think that they will always do the dollar calculation, the trade-off analysis, right? If that one feature, the dollar saving is not much as compared to this feature, so then they will automatically go for this, right? They will not waste time on these resources, time and money. Might be that feature is taking 2 minutes of every developer, right?
Correct.
So this is how things work. And I hope you got a good idea why this thing in demand, why there is adoption in the market. And if you see in product-based companies also, they have like created their teams, like new capabilities, like emerging technologies, and they are working on all this stuff. Okay. So again, this product is backed from Microsoft. So this is founded, Microsoft is founded by it is founded on April 4, 1975, and this date is correct, guys. Don't think this is the assumed one. And this is the largest company, and you already know the products. Might be all of you must have joined from your PCs and you are using operating system. So due to that itself, you are able to attend my session, of course. And this is Office 365 product. This is also from Microsoft, and you know, brand is always a brand. This has a brand backing and good adoption in the market. So the opportunities are endless if you're a good developer. Now, guys, what we will do here at KSR, we will provide you with 80 sessions. Again, this session will depend from 70 to 80. Might be in your batch, you are good enough, we are able to cover it in 72 session. Might be like you guys are not getting it, we are able to cover it in 75. Might be you are very slow, so we will be able to cover it in 80 session. But maximum we will have 80 session, minimum these many sessions. But that depends on your batch pace also. Might be people are getting more doubt. So here we don't have that thing, right? That you have in colleges. We have to complete the syllabus. So my main priority is you should get the knowledge. You should get the thing that you have paid for, the time that you are investing, 1.5 hour every day. Okay. So in the previous batch that we concluded just now, there we were able to cover everything in 75 sessions. And in the batch that I'm taking in the morning batch, so they are like we are going a little slow because people are not able to pick up there. They are facing issues because they are not getting time to practice and all. So again, you have to practice, guys. We will give you everything which is here. We'll give you 110%. You also have to give your 100% by practicing. So you will be through. So we will be creating 3 real-time projects. Actually, the number is high. What we don't want to overcommit. We are undercommitting here. So basically, one Power App we will be creating in the session. Canvas app. I'm talking about Canvas app. So then one I will give you as a project. Similarly, one model-driven app we will be creating. One I will be giving you as a project. We will be creating lots of Power Automate flows. We will be creating lots of desktop flows. We will be creating a website. We will be creating this thing. What else? Chatbots. We will be cross integrating the products. We will be creating Power BI reports. Okay. So if you count all these things, the count will increase to 10 or 12, but still, this is like some of you might be asking me the question, sir, how many
Sorry, not audible.
Yeah, yes. Indrajit, you are not audible. Yeah.
any query, you can ask us anything here, and we will be providing you interview guidance after the sessions. We will have. Okay, my voice is breaking, guys.
No, it can like disconnected for 30-40 seconds actually. Can you please repeat once again?
Okay, till which point you were able to hear? Everyone, for it got disconnected for everyone.
10,
Yeah.
12 applications you can see like that you said. Then
Okay,
after it.
okay, where I was, can you please remind me? I'll
Till
repeat
the
again.
real-time projects.
And
Till
also
the real-time projects, right? So
crossing
I'm saying we have mentioned 3 real-time projects. This is the number that we are under committing here. Okay. So basically, you will be creating one Canvas app in session. One I will give you as a project. You will be creating second, and second I will be giving you as a project. This is model-driven apps. You will be creating lots of Power Automate flows. You will be creating 2 Power BI reports. You will be creating a website. You will be creating chatbots and integrating the products with each other. So you will be creating much more than that. That's what I was saying. I hope it is clear now.
Yes, yes. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Cool. So this is our organization account, guys. Mahesh at ksrconsultantservices.com. So you can get in touch with us at this account. We will be providing you interview guidance. After your syllabus is over, I'll take 4 to 5 frequently asked interview question. But guys, please don't ask me. Give us important interview questions. Give me important topics. So those things I will not be able to provide, because interviews can ask anything, but we will not left even a single topic. Okay. So for that thing, one batch is already finished. So if you want, you can connect with the people on LinkedIn and you can ask them what we have covered. I will walk you through the plan also. You can see there. So we can give you resume preparation assistance also. We will help you in soft skills. So these are the sessions which are taken by Mahesh. It happens weekly. So you can join them and he will help you. So we have tie up with companies. We can provide you references, and we have dedicated placement cell also. Okay. Clear, guys? Yes, no?
Yes.
So these are all the
Yes.
things I have already covered. So this is what I was planning for the day. Now I will walk you guys through the curriculum. Like 80 sessions I have told you, we have created the day-wise curriculum also, and these are some of the courses which are provided by us. Azure Data Engineering, Full Stack Power BI, this thing, and this thing, Power Platform Developer. You can call on these numbers, or you can like get in touch with our team. Then they will help you. Now, guys, just hold on your questions. I know you will be having lots of questions, lots and lots of questions, and that is expected also. Just let me complete the thing first. I will be answering your question after that. I hope it makes sense, so that I am not forgetting anything to tell you.
Correct.
Okay, fine, guys. So this is the plan. I'm opening the plan, and again, I will more optimize this plan. Everything is there, but not in a structured way, because previous batch was the first batch, and they are like I have added very many new topics. Okay, so this is how first module will be Power BI. We will be covering Power BI desktop, Power BI service. Then we will be covering cloud, desktop, Canvas app, Dataverse, model-driven apps, Power App portals, Copilot Studio. I will be letting you know how to manage the Dataverse also, Power Platform Admin Center. Although you will be not using it, it will be managed by admin team, but still I will tell you how to do that. Then basic SQL and Excel manipulation. Then this module will get continue with these module itself, because there itself we will learn how to integrate. Okay, and this is the day wise plan, like what we will cover. So here we have the topic details, and here if you can see, these are the extra topic that we have added: responsive app demo, offline capabilities. So basically whatever is there under the sun for this Power Platform, we are covering everything end to end. Even if this is the new feature which is launched in the release that happened in the November, that also I have teached to the people, trained the people in the previous batch. Okay, so this is all about the plan. This will be shared with you once you are enrolled, and this is the design that we are creating. I hope the people who are working, they must be knowing everything starts with the data design first. So this is the design that we created just few days back for the model driven app that we are building in the morning batch. Okay, now let me show you some of the things that we have built here, because so that you guys can get an idea. So I will first go ahead with the Power Apps and I'll show you. Okay, apps. I'll show you the latest one. This is the Power App that we have created in the morning batch. This is the one that I have created in the class, where the main focus is, guys, to learn the functionalities, how the things will work, how to write Power FX, how to integrate the various components of app together. This is a server migration tool that we have added. Okay, so you can onboard new servers. So for this app, the backend is SharePoint. Come on. Okay. Yeah, so here from here you will be able to add, you will click on submit, the records will get created, and there are various validations here and on the submit code that we have written. And if you go back from here, you will be able to view the servers which are there. Okay, if you want to edit, you can click on this edit, you will be able to edit the existing servers. Okay, then after that you can delete. If you want to delete, click on this, you will get this form, whether you want to delete or not. You can cancel. Similarly, you can do the bulk update if you want to update the server name. You must have seen this functionalities while you are working. So here you have the search functionality implemented. So everything that you will be implementing in day-to-day life, we have implemented here. And this is what we have done. We have integrated the Power BI with the Canvas app. So here, whatever you will be seeing here, this is the Power BI report, standalone Power BI report, and we have integrated it here. Let it load. It is taking some time because my screen is getting shared. Yeah, so this is the Power BI report that you have embedded in the Power Apps itself. So you don't need to go to Power BI and you need to check that. So this is what it is. So this is the report, guys, that we have created in the session from scratch. So everything in the Power BI also we are covering. We are touching the Fabric capabilities also. So it is not like that it is not there in the Power Platform, but still it is the hot technology now. So I'm letting you know that also. So here, if you see, we have implemented bookmarks also. There are everything which is there that we have implemented. Chart view. Okay, so we have implemented everything here. This is about Canvas app. Now let me show you one app which is created by one of my student in the evening batch that just got commenced. So I feel kind of proud in that, because she was not aware about anything before joining this course, and after that, once going through the session, she was able to create that app. Okay, let me show you. I think it is in this environment. Shared with me, not this one. I think, sorry, my bad. It is in this environment. Yeah. So if you go here, look. So basically, this is what she had built. You can give the username and password. Might be she's working on this. Coke Studio. And to be honest, whenever I will give the project, I'll give the generic problem statement. You have to come up with the design. You have to come up with everything. Okay. Because I think for Santosh, we have created the credentials. Let me see if I'm able to log in. KSR Consultant Services.com. Otherwise, I'll show you with the edit mode. The rate 1 to 3. I think S is small. Invalid username or password. Okay. We have, I think that is removed. Let me show you by editing the app, what it means, how it looks like.
Sir, it should be consultant services.
Okay, I have done a typo. Okay, thank you for that. Let's see. Yeah, good catch. So here you can see. So now login is completed. So you can manage the inventory. So here you can see Coca-Cola Diet Coke, zero sugar, Fanta Orange. If you want to edit this, you can edit it. So this is this functionalities I have teached. What all the design they have come up their own. So basically the main thing is functionality, and then the design part, like you guys can handle it. And there you can see this delete. If I'll click on delete, you're getting the pop-up. Then if you want to add new record, click on add, you're getting pop-up. You can click add, submit. Similarly, here you can see SKU, all these things. If you want to search something, you can search. Click on search, you're getting it. Then you can go to the home, click on customers. You will be able to add customers, view customers. Okay, if you want to view this, click on this. So right now it is in view mode. If you want to edit, click on edit, you will be able to edit it. Okay, so this is what they have created. And to be honest, she had never worked on this Canvas app or something in Power Platform. So everything she has created from scratch. So this is about Canvas app. Similarly, let me quickly walk you through about model driven app also. You have already seen the Power BI report. Let me show you the model driven app also that we have created in the session. Don't save. Okay. So this is the one that we have created. This is completed actually. So guys, here you can see like this is the model driven app that we have created. In model driven app, I'll explain you everything about business process flows, workflows, and actions. So these all things are business rules. These all things are never covered with Power model driven app. They are covered with Dynamics, guys. But still, I will explain you guys so that you can get it. Here you can see if candidate is selected, then these interview will come. If not selected, we'll get back to you soon. Right. So this is the thing that we have created a form, a streamlined process for recruitment, right? So you can add everything here. And here we have did the integration also of Power BI with the model driven app. Here you can see Power Platform first dashboard. And let me show you this Power BI report if it is getting loaded. Yeah. Here you can see we have added the Power BI report here. Look. We have did the integration here also. And we have integrated Power Automate also. So that is in the backend that I will not be able to demonstrate, but you will be learning that. So this is how, guys, we will be working on the things. So now I am done with the content for the day. I hope you get a fair idea what you will be getting here and what is Power Platform, what you can expect from the course. I hope you got idea around that. So now we are open to doubts. Whatever doubt you have, please go ahead. And one more thing, one important thing I forgot to tell you, you will be getting 6 months subscription from us regarding the Power Platform product. So you will be getting 6 months free license. You can use that license to learn and do the practice.
Hi, just want to ask about the cost involved from a business perspective. For example, I have to implement this in my office. Okay, what will be the cost involved? Because I need to convince the management with the cost on the cost perspective. That's all.
Yeah, it totally makes sense. So I will be telling you everything. What are the various licensing? What are the cost regarding that? So you will be getting those details.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, everything end to end.
Hi, bro.
Vivek. Hi, Vivek.
Actually, I have this question. So I'm going through these job advertisements for Power Platform. and like most of them, pretty much like every one of them asks you to have at least 2 to 3 years of experience in the development. So
Yeah.
how are we gonna overcome that? I mean, I can grab all the knowledge from you. Like, I mean, I've actually, had your 5 sessions, like the one that you gave last month as well. So, I mean, it's pretty clear that I would be actually getting it all. But then how would I convince the recruiters that, I mean, that even without like that sort of experience, I can do the job.
Yeah.
So I think Mahesh will help you
Vivek,
in
you are
this.
working currently?
I'm actually not.
Okay. When your graduation completed?
It was like 7, 8 years back, but then I've done a few roles which have been analysis roles. So I've done from marketing analysis to data
Yeah, you are
analysis.
there in analyst. Then that is more than enough. So like here we are learning about some analysis also on Power BI. So from when you are not working actually?
So it's been somewhere around 8 months.
8 months only, right? So before you already have some idea on analysis. Now what after completing these sessions, you are going to be attend on some freelancing projects. And here also we will guide you like how to attend the projects and how to get during the sessions itself. So again, we are revamping your resume and all. Anyway, you have some idea about previously on analytics itself, right? So we have to be convinced why you have that 8 months career back. That's it. So rest we will take care, and that much of knowledge we are going to be delivered to you.
Yes, sir. I have like no doubts about that. I mean, your classes. I mean, the one that I've been through, the explanation, and I mean the way you teach everything is like. I mean, you're not leaving anything.
Yeah. So we will. That's the reason, sir, why we are taking these many months also. Like it's more than nearby 90 lectures to similar issues. Like even though in the service companies also, we need to be changed internally. You already having some good package on Power BI, and now companies are asking to work on Power Apps. I guess out of here 57 people, there are some people are facing this kind of issue, right? So that's the reason that curriculum is designed like equivalent to a 3-4 years experience guy working on Power Platform. How much knowledge will be there? That much we are trying to deliver here. And once you are resume making in a better way, for sure you can able to get opportunities easily. That resume taking care of about your resume, and we will guide you. But only that 8 months career break, we need to be convinced into the recruiters. I will guide you about that on one-on-one discussion as well. And we will take a separate class only for the placement related. At the time, I will guide you.
Oh, okay, sir. So I mean, like even if I don't have, like relevant experience in Power Apps developer, I can still, somehow.
Yes. You have a domain experience, sir, already.
Yeah, you can claim that, right? You will be creating apps end to end.
Yes.
So it is not a fake thing that is there. If you are writing in the manipulating the resume, I being the interviewer, if I'm asking you the question, you are able to convince me with the answers. So then why I would not hire you?
Yes.
I don't feel there
You
is a
have your
reason.
domain knowledge, and we are preparing
Yeah.
some more applications now. We are keeping all this in LinkedIn, and during your interview, you are guiding all these things. Anyway, if required, we will make a certification for this Power Platform. So your domain knowledge sufficient here. You are not a fresher actually. You have a domain knowledge. With the domain knowledge, we can able to create some application. Example, recently one of our student previously had some knowledge on hospitality related. She made very good application on hospital related and how to appoint the doctors and all. So all these things it's happened there. So similar way
Alright.
you can able to do that.
Oh, okay, sir. And sir, just one more question, sir. I mean, when I'm looking for Power Platform developer jobs, sometimes it's actually, giving me the results which are like Power/Dynamics platform developer. So are they the same thing, or are they different?
Yeah, so as I have explained in the session also, so Dynamics also the extension of Power Platform itself. So if you are good with Power Platform, if you want to extend your tech stack, you can learn JavaScript. There is only one framework in JavaScript, that is XRM API, and you have to learn something C#.NET. So then there also I plugin is the interface that you have to learn. So then you can grow into those dynamic career also. So that is extension of that. Power Platform is base for the Dynamics.
Yeah. So I got another question now, like someone asking like you have any connections with the company and you are pushing me to the companies. Yes, we do have connections, but I can't push everyone here in 57 people. And by just saying Mahesh pushing to the some XYZ company and you are going to get a job. It's not in that way. We will help you how to get your opportunities in the market. I'm not going to give a fish directly. We are trying to help you how to grab the fishes from the pond.
Yes,
And
guys.
also our previous students, example here, Arvind is there. Arvind also one of our previous students. I guess so some of our old students are there. Whenever they have openings in their companies, right, they are referring. Some companies, yes, we have what tie-ups with some companies, but I can't promise, depends on my batch closer and they are going to hire you people. but my responsibility to get the calls to you. Ultimately, it's my promise. You are going to be get the calls. And another good thing, we have a good demand in the market now.
Guys, just do one thing after the session. Go to LinkedIn, search my profile or Mahesh's profile or KSR Data Vision profile. Just see there, like what are the things people has created. You will be amazed after seeing that. We have posted a lot.
Yes, I have one of. Let me check it. I will share right away. Possible.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me share you guys.
I have experience of 1.5 year in Power Platform. So how this can be helpful for I have PL night.
You are able to see my screen, right?
Yes, we can.
Yes.
She is one of our student actually. You can see she made this is by using Power Apps itself.
Yeah.
So you can see a couple of it's a second or third project seems for her. So you can see this is another application. Not many people did. Sorry, guys. Okay, you can see these are made by our students. Mute, guys. Please.
Yes, I have muted him.
Yeah, thank you. So you can see these kind of some.
Yes. Hi,
Okay.
Sahu. Do you have any other question?
Hi, this is Shail. This is not the question. Actually, I just want to share my experience. I belong to non-IT, and currently I'm working with one of the IT company as a reporting analyst. And it is purely on my projects which I have done in my previous things, and I have showcased that thing all into LinkedIn, and how I have answered or presented myself into the interview. That has given me much more appreciation rather than anyone's references or anything.
Exactly.
Correct.
Exactly. Thank you.
So-
Thank you for sharing. Even I am also from the similar kind of background. My background also previously into the pharmaceutical industry. Later, I moved to IT. And once I enter into the IT, it depends on situation. I am learning every time the new skill set. So I'm happy for you. Sahu, what's your name, ma'am?
My name is Shail. I have
Shail.
connected with you in Microsoft this time.
Okay. Good. Thank you, Shail. Thank you for sharing your experience.
Thank you.
Yeah, it is there. Like if you have the skill, no one can stop you guys. Okay. I'm getting some questions in the chat section, so I'll take it from there.
So meanwhile, I will share another funny things, guys. One day with my family, I went to like it's in a gold shop. It's I guess Kajana Jewelers. So usually I'm getting calls frequently. I'm discussing with them and they are making their shopping. And one of the sales guy listened everything what I'm speaking with the students. After completing the shopping, he approached me and asking like, Mahesh, even I completed my MBA. I want to enter into the IT. Shall I learn this data visualization, Power BI? At that time, it's happened around 2-3 years back. I said, yes, why not? But currently I'm working with the jewelry. Yes, you completed your course. After that, make reports for your company itself. Khajana Jewelry, how much gold is selling per day, which store is selling more, which kind of jewelry. It's either silver jewelry selling more, gold jewelry, or out of that again, multiple items will be there, no? Under gold also. He made that one and later he moved to the full-time IT company. He made internally for one project for Khajana itself.
Yeah. So I have one question. I have experience of 1.5 year in Power Platform. So how can this will be helpful for me? I have PL 900 certification as well. I am having good knowledge of Canvas app, SharePoint, and Power Automate. So Adesh, for you, it will be very helpful. Why? Because as I can see, you know about Canvas app and Power Automate. So I suppose you will be knowing about only Power Automate Cloud. So there are so many other things in the Power Platform. You will be knowing mostly you will be, and most importantly, you will be knowing how to integrate, how to think like a solution architect and get the solution out of these products. You will be learning model driven apps. You will be learning Power Automate Desktop. You will be learning how to go ahead and create the design of the project, like the DV design. So all those things, this thing will make you a good and complete developer end to end. Okay, there is one more question from Vivek. Hi sir, what is the difference between Power Platform and Microsoft Fabric? Okay, so I hope Vivek, you are clear with Microsoft Power Platform. Power Platform, you're clear, right? So Microsoft Fabric is the another kind of offering from Microsoft. So there they are trying to target the data analyst and data engineers. So basically, there like you have Power BI, you have your Snaps Analytics, you have Azure Data Factories, and they have a few other products. They have taken the product from Azure portal and launched this as a package for data engineers and data analysts for Microsoft Fabric. I hope it is clear. Okay, Abhi has questions, sir. These classes are online or offline? So this is purely online classes, Abhi. So no offline classes as of now.
Yeah. Actually, this is Rajesh. I mean, whenever class started, I asked the question like, actually, I'm currently working on D365 F&O. So, my manager expecting to get the project on Power Apps and Power Automate, these two. Okay. So he suggested to learn these two to integrate it at least to 2 to 3 exercises. Which point of view they were using, they were asking like that. So we need to give the demo and next month ending actually they were planning to my manager. So he suggested to learn these things. So that's why I am looking for this. Is this helpful for that?
Yeah, this is very much helpful, Rajesh. You will be doing the integrations.
Yeah.
You have seen in the apps itself, right? We have integrated Power BI with the Canvas app, model-driven app. Similarly, we will be integrating Power Automate with the apps. Similarly, we will be integrating chatbots also in the apps. So everything will be integrated.
Actually, yeah, entire Power Platform, I don't know. So he suggested Power Apps and Power Automated. So these two, at least 2 to 3 exercises to integrate it and which point of view we are working for and with respect to these things. So
Yeah,
we need
that
to
is
give
that is fine, Rajesh.
knowledge.
This can be your motivation to join the course, but don't limit yourself. If you are joining, just take the complete advantage of it. Learn everything here. Okay, attend all the sessions live. So I think all these doubts that you guys have on this day, on the day one, all these will be resolved, and you will be proud that you have invested in this. That you will be investing the time. Time is more kind of it is more precious, right, than money. So your time will not get wasted for this. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Sure. Hi, Indrajit. I am Microsoft Certified Data Analyst seeking a job. I know Power BI is designing app also. Do we need in terms of data analytics or only Power Automate is needed for automation? Aarti, your question is kind of like confusing. I'm not able to understand. Can you unmute and tell me what is your doubt? I know Power BI is designing app. Also, do we need in terms of data analytics or only Power Automate is needed for automation?
Hello,
Yes,
Indrajit,
yes.
can you hear
Yeah,
me?
Aarti. Yeah, I can hear you.
I mean, I know Power BI. You are saying that we can design app also through this. Do we need to do all this in terms of data analytics? I'm asking. We need only Power Automation, likewise, I'm asking separately.
Yeah. So in data analytics, that is also again depends on your job profile, right? In data analytics, someone of you might be working on Python scripting also for ETL, right? Someone of you might be working on Tabular also, not only Power BI. So designing app, I'm not saying designing app in Power BI. I was talking about the integration. You have developed the Power BI report. Now you want to integrate in the Power Apps. So if you are aware, like Power BI reports can be integrated into websites also, right? The front end websites.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thanks. Abhi is asking questions, sir. What about fees, sir, and duration? So duration, I have already told you. This will be 70 to 80 sessions, depending on the batch size, depending on the batch speed, and
Just one
roughly
thing, 70 to 80 sessions on weekdays, right?
weekdays, Monday to Friday.
Okay.
So 5 days a week, all together, it's 80 lessons. That means it's go for almost 4 months. 80 direct technical lessons, and another 5 to 10 will be additional, like your LinkedIn optimization and Naukri optimization and preparing resume and some agile methodology. These kind of additional sessions we will conduct frequently. So altogether, it's almost 90 lectures. That means 4 months nearby.
Okay, Mahesh, someone is asking about fees multiple times. So can you please tell them?
Yeah, course fees will be 27,000, sir. And you are going to get a Power Apps license as well, like Mahesh at KSR.com, Suresh at KSR.com. So in this way, you will get a license. So this license will Power Apps, Power Automate, Power Virtual Agent all together.
Okay, thank you, Mahesh. So there is one question from Lakshmi. Would you be able to provide use cases in various domain using Power Platform solution? Yeah. So we have implemented use cases itself, right? If you have seen, we have implemented a beverages app, Coke Studio app. She has implemented a doctor's onboarding app. So we have implemented in the session the server migration app. So all these things I have worked for 7 years. Whatever I have worked there, whatever issues I have faced, so everything you will be getting in this 4 months. Okay. So there is one more question going one by one, guys. Nikita, what are the data sources we are going to integrate with Power Apps except Dataverse and SharePoint, or are we going to be other data sources as well, like SAP, SQL, etc.? Okay. This is a question from Nikita. So guys, I have one question to you. So suppose you are creating a product. Okay. So there you are using the SharePoint as a data source or Dataverse as a data source. Now I would come to you and I will say, guys, now instead of SharePoint, the data is moved to SQL. So can someone tell me what you need to do? Do you need to complete the project from scratch again?
I would request you to please repeat it.
I am saying, suppose you have created an app, okay, and you're getting data from SharePoint as a data source. Now I come to you and I will say, now the data is moved from SharePoint to SQL Server. Now you have to get the data from SQL Server. So in that case, what you need to do? Do you need to like develop the app from scratch again?
I don't think so, because you just need to change the data connection.
Yeah,
Yes.
data path. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So this is answer to your question, Nikita. So data source is of least importance here. Why SharePoint and Dataverse we are covering? Because Dataverse is the soul of model-driven app that is required. SharePoint I'm covering because we need to get learn something called as delegation. Okay. So all other data sources which are there will be similar, right? So whatever data source you will use, you will be creating connection and you will be doing that. I will be letting you know how to create connection. I hope it makes sense to every one of you, all 50 people of you.
Yes, true.
Cool. Class timings will be, guys, 7:30 to 9. 7:30 to 8:45 or 40 we will have the content, and then 20 minutes we will discuss the doubts. Now I have one question from Haider. I need to discuss with you, sir. Guys, if you can unmute yourself and ask question, I think that will be more good. You can. It is giving me the feeling of answering in WhatsApp.
Hello.
Yeah, Haider.
Sir, how are you, sir?
I'm good. How about you?
I am fine. Actually, I have background from this manufacturing company.
Okay.
So I want to switch my career to IT.
Okay.
Actually, my wife is working in IT only.
Oh, okay.
He suggested me to change my career.
Okay.
In the HAL, I am working in inventory management department.
She suggested or ordered?
Suggested.
Okay.
Both.
Yeah. You're working with the HAL, sir?
Yeah.
HAL, it's in Bangalore, right? Hindustan.
Yeah.
HUL, yeah.
India, there are more divisions. I am working in HAL engine division.
Okay.
Where it is?
Engine division. Aero engine.
Yes, you can also,
It's
sir.
into aviation.
Actually, you can check in HAL group, like a careers also, data analyst, data scientist, data analyst will be there. Even in HAL. Air traffic control and some your procurement.
Manufacturing of aircraft.
Also using data
Totally.
analysis and power apps.
So this HUL is, Mahesh, Hindustan Unilever Limited or that aircraft one?
Aeronautics.
No, it's into aviation.
Aeronautics one. Okay,
Hindustan Aeronautics Limited.
Aeronautics one. Okay,
Yes,
got
yes.
it. Got it.
Actually, my building also HAL employs the building only. I'm staying now in Maratali. Okay.
Okay. So Heather, you can ask your doubts in person with
Yes,
Mahesh
yes,
then
yes.
in that case.
Yeah, if you have more doubts, maybe we can connect offline tomorrow, either. So I can
Yeah.
explain you, no need to worry.
Okay.
So we have a old employees from HAL and the later they transform. There is some contract jobs also is there, no, in HAL.
Yeah.
Those kind of people already there. I guess in a last year batch, 2 or 3 students are there. They transformed it.
Okay.
Okay.
I have more restrictions. They can't allow you mobile also. Sometimes it will be too strict. I heard from those
Yeah,
people.
actually, that is a defense company.
Defense, okay.
Defense, correct.
So
Yeah.
But these
smartphone.
people are in procurement actually. I'm not sure. Those are into the procurement. But in
Okay.
premises, they are not
Awesome.
allowing devices, they told me, while roaming there. And
Yeah. Basic set is allowed with higher authority permission.
okay.
Hi Inder, hi Mahesh, how are you? Old student of KSR.
Okay.
Hi, Gautam.
Hi. So I have a question here. I just wanted to check. So how Power Platform is beneficial for someone who is handling financial reporting in on Power BI or on Excel or working on SharePoint, especially working on SharePoint.
Okay, so Gautam, like if you are working on financial reporting, so then you can create model-driven app to get the data, to get the like to get the details from the user. So you can put security there with the help of Dataverse security model, which is there, right? You can put the field level security, you can put role level security. So all these things you can do because you will be working in the financial data with the very confidential data, right? The numbers will be dollar amount will be there that you don't want to show. So all those security model you can put in, and even if you are creating the model Power BI report on top of that, there also you will be you can use the security roles. Then you can limit the access. You can mask the data. So everything that you want for this security and integrity that can be implemented using Power Platform.
Okay. Thank you, Inder.
Thank you. I think someone is asking, I learned Power BI. I wanted to work as Power BI developer. Which one I should learn, Power Platform or Power BI Fabric? So again, guys, Swapna, it depends on you. What drives you? Without like with only Power BI, if you want to become Power Platform developer, that is also not possible. If you want to become Fabric developer, that is not also not possible. If you are an individual where data drives you, you are interested in creating pipelines, you are interested in creating snaps analytics, you are interested in working on Azure Databricks, you are interested in learning SQL, advanced SQL. I'm not talking about select queries, join queries. So then you can go for this Power BI Fabric. But if you want to unlock more opportunities in app development, this RPA, this low code, no code technologies, so then Power Platform is the right choice for you. So it depends on your interest. I hope.
Yes, another interesting topic. Like if you learned already Power BI, it's only Power BI, we can't get jobs. Again, we have
Correct. Yeah.
Azure and Fabric as per current market standards, or else you are interested in this. Another good thing will be Power Platform. How is recently into the market, right? Openings are more than
Fabric.
availability actually. The
Yeah.
demand supply issue is there. So there is a likely chances you can get placed easily.
Yeah. So that's what. Again, like your call.
Here,
We
any
can give
guys who
you.
are already working on data analyst or Power BI and due to your internal requirements asking want to learn Power Apps, any guys here? Maybe you can explain
Yes.
better.
Yes,
Who are
fine.
who's that? Sir,
Shravika.
Sarvika.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
Sarvika, maybe you
I've
are
been
already.
working as a power. Yeah, so I've
Carry
been
on,
working
carry
as a Power BI, analyst here from the past 2.5 years. But now, due to some recent layoffs in my company, some of the people who were working on Power Apps and Power Automate got laid off, and all that work has been delegated to me. So now, I'm forcibly learning Power Automate and Power Apps.
Yeah. So some companies are trying to reduce their workforce, right? So they are forcing the Power BI people, or also instead of hiring new people, they are forcing even already ingoing employee, like who are already working in the same organization, right? They are forcing to learn Power Apps and Automate. So in those cases, who knows Power BI? Anyway, you know some Power BI. Here also we are teaching Power BI, so we will get more opportunities.
Yes.
Any other who are already working in Power BI?
I think Sarvika has written Power BI in her domain name itself.
Yeah, she was more interested.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
honestly, guys, technically, when we are moving out, right, we need to be adapt to the new skill set. So when I started my first IT career into the SAP, I thought to make an tattoo on my hand, but I didn't did that one. But now I forget about SAP.
I
Hi.
have to tell you an interesting thing here.
Yeah,
So even for getting into a Power BI, job role, I think it's because of KSR Data Vision. I
Okay.
used to follow their YouTube videos, all the interviews that happened. I know there were some interview sessions on
Yes.
YouTube by Santosh sir.
Yes.
So I have gone through all those interviews before giving my personal interview, and that helped me crack the interview in 2022.
That's great. Good to know. So after that, you got your job, right?
Yes.
Congrats.
Good. How to pronounce your name? Sorry, I'm not able to pronounce.
Sravika.
Sravika, right? Okay. Good,
Yeah.
Sravika. Good to know that.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other doubts, guys? I think Lakshmi want to learn about MS Fabric also. So Lakshmi, you can go ahead on YouTube, just search about MS Fabric. There will be introduction session later to that. So then you will be getting idea on that.
Yeah,
Okay.
not only introduction session, actually in our website last couple of days back, we conducted a Fabric Bootcamp for 15 hours by Santosh itself. So we have that session also.
Yeah.
You can just go to log into our website. So let me share you again. I will guide you guys. Let me open my. Give me a second. Even this record session also, current session also, you can watch in our website actually. Hope you are able to see, right?
Yeah, hey,
The datavision.com. Actually, we have to.
Yeah.
Okay, datavision.com. You can go here. Okay, just click on sign in. It will rewrite here. Once you sign in, right, you can just create account if you don't have, or else you can sign in if you are new. So in free sessions, you can go here. You can see Fabric Bootcamp. It is a free session, almost 15 hours. Okay. And this is the current Indra sir sessions, and today's session, you can able to watch the record here itself.
Fabric and Fabric boot both are different or both are same?
Bootcamp in the sense just we taken the continuous session, right? We named it as a bootcamp. It's just a Fabric, Microsoft Fabric.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a 15 hours content. You can just almost you can understand what exactly Fabric.
Bootcamp is similar to workshop.
Exactly.
Fancy name of workshop.
Yeah. So we are planning for Power Platform also very soon in January.
Yeah.
So here your session, you can able to enroll here itself like for free. It will show like enroll now. You click on enroll now, and later it will be redirected to the application, and where you can join even live session and you can watch even record also. Okay.
So Mukesh, when we can expect that next batch for Fabric Bootcamp?
Bootcamp maybe not next couple of months also. Power Platform we are planning in January.
I think someone is asking about.
So this curriculum and plan for 90
Sridhar.
days. Each day session also we are mentioning here. Okay, you can able to download from here itself.
Sridhar, you want to know about MS Fabric batch?
Yeah, so if anyone expecting in that way, Fabric, we don't have separate batch. Fabric is a part of data analytics and data engineering. So we have a Power BI with the Fabric is a one batch, and Azure Data Engineering with the Fabric is another course.
Yes. Thank you, Aarti.
Mahesh, I can use my old ID itself, right?
One, sorry.
Old ID, which I used for Power BI.
Expired, or else I'm not sure that is a Fabric is attached at that time, sir. We need to be see.
No, it is active only. So that's why I wanted to check.
Recently you got it, huh?
Sorry?
No, you got that ID recently? No, for creating account, not required. Old account you can use, sir. Not required new. You don't need to create account again.
Fine. Thank you, Mahesh.
Yeah, for free session, I guess that is fine.
Yeah, it's not required on new, old only. Yeah.
Okay.
any other batch in evening after 7 p.m. So this is after 7 p.m. itself, right? 7:30 to 9.
Maybe the EST, I guess.
Hi, this is Lakshmi.
Basically, time zone is not mentioned. So
yeah,
yeah,
sir,
Lakshmi.
you can carry on.
Yeah. Sorry. Just question is about the timings. So I work in the Eastern Standard Time, like so in New York time. So would like to know, like, if you have any batches morning, that is IST morning, so
Yeah,
that
sir.
it's my
Morning,
evening
actually,
time.
I got it, your concern, sir. Morning, one batch around a month back started by Indra sir itself. It is 7:30 a.m. IST. If it's a fine, you can join that batch. What are the classes missed? You can go with the record. Another, in the sense, it may take 2 more months, sir.
Oh, I got it. Okay. Okay. Yeah. I just because right this month is okay. It's light for me. So, but
Yeah, what I
next
can
month.
suggest, you can join the morning batch now, and you can continue with the even evening classes also. What are the classes is early sessions you missed it, right? The Power BI topics and all. You can continue in the evening.
Okay.
And
Okay.
morning batch,
Sounds
you can continue carry on. Like, what are the classes you missed to go with the records, and other sessions you can join live. Maybe a couple of days you have to give the more efforts.
Okay, so if I miss the class in the morning, so if I miss the class, which is the evening
Every session will be
times for
recorded
you,
and you will
it
get
will be
access.
recorded?
Yes, yes. Even this class also you can able to see after half an hour itself in our website.
Oh, okay. Okay, so I can practice it later. Okay. Um, you mentioned you will give a 6 month account so that we can try
That's
all
it
these
after joining.
after joining. Okay, got it, got it. Yeah, I'll be joining, but I just asked.
1 year actually, not only 6 months. It's you will get it for 1 year.
Okay, because I will not be able to practice in my company account because
Yes.
they will
We
have
provide even all the
restrictions.
licenses, sir. Example, like a Power BI Premium, they won't give. It's mostly companies will give only Pro, but we will provide Premium for trial sessions.
Yeah, I just that's the reason I was asking. Okay.
Any more session doubts or questions, guys?
Like which module is currently going on in the morning session?
It is model-driven apps, Ravika. So we have completed Canvas app, we have completed Power BI. So it is model-driven apps currently going on.
Okay, because even I work in EST time zone, so
Yeah, if you think like you have bandwidth now, you can join the 2 sessions. Otherwise, if you want to start from scratch, so then I guess new batch we will be able to start somewhere in the mid of March.
okay. So can I take only like apps and automate and Power Pages,
You
etc.?
can it is totally up to you if you want to attend the, as Mahesh already mentioned, we are flexible with that. If you want to attend tomorrow sorry, morning batch and as well as evening batch together, that also you can do. You can learn with the morning batch model driven apps that we are learning there, that we will be completing in 1 week or so, and then you can learn Power BI and this thing here. So then you can simply leave this batch once you are up to that point where you have started learning from Power in the morning batch.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Just one more question. Like, do we get the recorded sessions in
Yeah, you
case?
will.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
So for all the
I will
classes, right?
explain again if you want, like just give you a second. So
For each and every class, you will
yes,
get it.
you can just go to the Google, guys, and just search for KSR Data Vision. I will guide you right away. Just give me a second. I just want to share screen. Let me know once you are able to see the screen. So here, this is our website. Okay, you can go to courses. Upcoming sessions are free sessions. You can see here. Here you can able to see the Power Platform Developer free preview. Click here. You are able to see, right?
Yeah, Mahesh, it is visible.
Yeah.
Yes.
So enroll now. But it will ask you to log in. As I have account already, I will log in with my email ID. If you are new, you can create another account. Sign in successfully. I'm just enrolling here.
You have already enrolled.
It seems. Okay, I'm going to my account. Yeah, you can see here, it will show like a join now button here also. Okay, this is the course actually. I have multiple courses added in this way, it's showing multiple. Okay. So this is your course and your account. You can see here class records. This is the session. Once it's class completed, maybe it will take another 30-40 minutes. You can see the button called view records. You can able to check the view recording. And similar way, entire content like a Power Platform content, the 90 days plan, everything you can able to see here. You can see here. This is the curriculum. If you want, you can download and you can check it. Similar way, the plan also. We designed a plan for each day, all 90 lectures.
Clear, guys? Any other doubts?
This is all 90 days, day 1 onwards. 80 technical lessons all are, okay? And other 10 lectures might be like agile methodology, career grounding, resume making, guest lectures with other industry experts, portfolio making. These things we will take care additionally. All these 80 by Indra. So you got an idea, right, guys? You can enroll and you can able to join tomorrow's session directly from here.
Okay, thank you. Actually, do we have any weekend sessions actually?
Weekend we are not planning actually for this reason.
No,
we tried long back with the weekend, but what happened? No, if you miss one weekend, next weekend you can't understand. People are they will lose interest actually.
Okay, sure.
So we have a couple of trainers who are interested to teach even weekends also, but we are avoiding. Example, you measure this weekend, it will take 15 days to join the next class. And each weekend I have to take minimum 3 to 4 hours continuously.
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you.
that's the reason we are not encouraging weekend sessions for now.
Yeah, that's true actually. But as we all are working professionals, so like this timing also will be.
Yeah, I can understand, but you have to be spend some sacrifice 1.5 hours per day.
Yeah, not Prakash. I think you will be able to manage because in previous batch also most of the people were working professional around 13 years of experience, 15 years of experience. So if they were missing the class, they were going through the records, but they were able to manage. But I'm not sure. Like it depends on your job profile also, right? But I think mostly you will be able to. So you should not bother much about that because you have the recordings, right? Anyway.
Yeah. Thank you.
Thanks.
All good. Any questions?
I have a question.
Yes.
For example, my client is already having an existing RPA solution on a different technologies like a Blue Prism or UiPath. Okay. So how convenient or how easy it is to migrate them into Microsoft Power Automate? If I have to pitch in, the client, have to give a use case and get their buy-in. Like, just wanted to understand all those things.
So Siddharth, for this, like you need to check whether there is some auto conversion tool in the market. So I had the same thing few years ago. We have to migrate the automation anywhere flows into Power Automate desktop. So we went ahead with the product-based client that was offering a tool named as Blueprint that will convert the Power Automation anywhere flows to Power Automate desktop. So there, like that was not completely converting. It was converting the stuff which it was understanding. Other stuff it was kind of leaving it blank, adding the activities, and it was not configured. So actually, like that thing was nightmare for us because you have to check debug. Okay, where is the issue? Where you have to add it again. So then we thought we will understand the process and we will develop it from scratch. Okay, so that will be more easy and convenient thing rather than going for the third party intermediator tool, because this product is the new one. So might be you will you will have less stable products in the market as of now.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks, Indrajit.
Thank you. Any other doubt? Anyone? I hope today your doubt related to Power Platform. What is Power Platform? What is there in Power Platform? What is its capabilities? Those things are resolved.
Yes.
Cool. This itself is a war, right? To learn what is Power Platform basically. This question is very kind of debatable. You will search, you will find different answers.
Indrajit, could you please quickly speak about the AI builder functionality in the Power Platform? Like in real time, have you built any
Yeah,
such?
so yes. For AI Builder, guys, for AI Builder, the Microsoft will charge you differently, $500 per month. So there in AI Builder, you will be able to use the AI models which are there. So basically, there are two types of models in the Power Platform. That is, one is custom model and another one is pre-built model. Custom models are like test recognition model, where you have to identify whether the feedback is positive, negative, or neutral. So then artificial intelligence will automatically process your inputs and give you that idea. And suppose you want to read the PDFs. So for that, you have the model which is called as document processing model, invoice processing model. So you can train your model with the likewise PDF. Suppose we want to read the data from some invoices which are generated for KSR data vision. We will train our model with the 20-30 invoices, whatever are there. Minimum 5 are required, maximum 20 are required, but you can train with more also, so that you the accuracy is more. Okay. So then whatever you will give after training the invoices, it will automatically read that invoice and store it in the dataverse. So I have implemented all these things, but might be you will not be able to implement in the real world because of its costing. As of now, it is very what to kind of it is very I'm not getting the word. Like it is very expensive as of now, $500 per month. So it is like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Out of all these products, Indrajit, which product contributes a lot? I know it depends on I mean the business solution to solution or like
Power BI, you already know Power BI is like operating in altogether all
Yeah.
the data space, right? Whatever thing is related to data, Power BI is sufficient, like what to say, prerequisite for that, right? Then after that, it comes Power Apps, Canvas apps, and model-driven apps. Okay. Then after that, this comes Power Platform. Then comes Power Pages and Copilot Studio, because these products, Microsoft is still developing it. If you go there, most of the features are in preview mode, but now for Power Pages also, people have started hiring. So they will also pick up the pace and they will also become the leader products in the family.
Okay.
Yeah. Any other doubt, anyone? Guys, use this forum to ask any kind of questions related to course, related to Power Platform. No doubts?
Yes, I have one small doubt actually.
Yeah.
So by learning this actually Power Platform, so we can create applications for the small businessmen or big any organization or any kind of businessman who need actually application to track his
Yeah, you
like
can create, Prakash. So
yeah.
basically you need to let them know this is the licensing, this is the cost, this is how you need to onboard your resources. You will be able to create. And here in courses, we will be creating applications only. I will not tell you the random topics. This is the topic. This is how it is there. Everything you will be able to see in the application itself.
Yes.
Cool. Any other doubt?
Hello.
Hi, David. No doubts?
Hello?
Hello. Yes, David, you are audible. Please go ahead.
Okay. Good afternoon. This is I'm speaking from Nigeria.
Okay.
So I joined you a bit late, so I didn't get where you did some magic or show some of the what Power Platform is. Actually, I've not seen any app that's been done with Power Platform, right? And then I was just introduced to Power Platform when someone was telling me that's what it builds alone is just Power Platform. I was like, how does it even look like? Is it the usual web application, or is it something like Power BI reports that is? And then I think I now went to YouTube. I saw somebody building Power Platform, but it was doing me like there was no data source. I was like, maybe the person was just putting the numbers on it. I was like, is
David,
this
your
really?
voice is little low actually. Like, can you be little louder? Not able to
Yes.
understand your question.
Can you hear me? I'm just trying to get what's. I know I think I've been able to hear one or two things about that. We can use it to automate tax and all that. But practically, I want to see what I can do with it. I already work with Power BI, right?
Okay.
But I am not so. I've not really seen the use case for let's say this Power Platform.
Okay.
So I've gone to the web, I've gone to the internet, I think the first video I saw, the person was building something that looks like a Power BI dashboard.
Okay.
But I was trying to look for where the person connected his data set. I was just seeing somebody just building interfaces. I'm like, is that what Power Platform is about? Do you understand? I think that's where I am a bit like, what does it really do? Is it something that's...
Yeah, I got it. You are saying you are already working on Power BI, but you have never seen any use case around you regarding Power Platform. Is that correct?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So David, like it depends like where you work. Okay. Like you will not see the customer facing solution using Power Platform because this is designed to solve the business related problem, the streamline the business processes. Suppose you are working in an organization where you have an operations team. They are working on the Excel files. They are taking the data from various teams, collating it, then they are reporting to your manager, reporting to the employees. So all these kind of manual processes which are there in your organization, you will be streamlining these kind of processes. So you will be giving them the good UI where they will be able to write the data, where they will be able to collate the details. You will be storing it in Dataverse. That too in a streamlined way, right? And you will be then creating reports on top of that. Might be you will be automating the things like when users are adding some details in the application, you want to send them emails. Might be you want to do some other automations, like suppose they're creating a record, you want to assign it to some default teams. So all these things, all the business streamlining process that you can do with this Power Platform. So this will help you achieve the business problems with ease. Like the thing, suppose now people are working manually, they are spending 8 hours a day, 9 hours a day, 10 people, they are doing the manual activities. So all those things will be automated. You will be having the dollar saving for 8 people, 10 people who are there. So there you will see these kind of usages. I have created an app for a well-known beverages companies also. So there we have created an app for their inventory management system. Like when the people will go to take orders from the vendors, so then the sales people, they will be able to see in the app what is the inventory which is left in the warehouse. So this kind of applications also we have created internally. Okay. I hope, David, it is making sense to you now where it can be used.
Yes, yeah, it makes sense based on what you said. It's just that I'm trying to look at what's the difference between the Power BI that I already use and then the
Okay,
Power
so
Platform.
David, did you joined late?
Yes, I think I joined like 30 minutes ago or 30. I didn't understand the time difference. So I had to use Google. I discovered that
No need to use Google search, David. I would request you to go through the recording end to end. Okay. And if you still have doubts, so you can join tomorrow. You can ask me any question related to anything. Okay.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, David. Any other doubt, guys? No doubts?
No.
Okay, guys, then let's meet tomorrow. We can close the session. It is extended by 23 minutes. So sorry for that. So from tomorrow, we will start with the Power Apps module. Power BI module.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye guys. Bye.